Yeah.
Why you pop it up go by the name Batman 6 in the streets of football, but yadluli beefy. Sihleli nefathers buffet. We told you we're gonna dive deep with anything that has to do nefathers buffet. Make sure whatever you come across, ebale fathers you like, you subscribe. Sihleli ne Hotman Lam, assist stranger to fathers. Munjani Hotman Lam. Thank you. Azazise one thing.
It's I'm Eugene Wankos Buffet.
Yeah.
Abaning bangazi shoes. Team manager fathers.
Yeah. Team manager fathers.
Yeah.
That's something nice, I'll tell you. So manager fathers in danger because I can tell you one thing. Mangabo muntu wasesineke and
Sure.
more drive say taxi from home ground you can tell kugcwele. Ni manager kanjani ukuthi ukhona ukufaka abantu abangaka nje to support the brand fathers.
Okay, lento le mfethu is simple more ibheka, but in essence you need to have a structure.
Yeah.
So the fathers in a structure.
Yeah.
So from the chairman, the deputy, we have the PR, you know, we have me as manager. So Sangatisana, we plan during the week and then the information is given to relevant people. But the main thing is social platforms, be it TikTok, Facebook, you name them. So Cinema Friends group where we can put out information which is but overall manage fathers as a team manager and deal with the technical team and just looking after my players and stuff which were well informed.
So last week we saw fathers they were participator on a tournament. So it D12 Manyora, how was the game?
Honestly speaking,
because it was a game.
If Zingmamele knows this because of I think Gucci fathers had an upper hand from the word go. We've missed a lot of chances from first half, and then Batolabo coach Nyana by two, and that's how we lost the game. The team overall performed very well. The planning and everything, they handled great. Ne lucky on the day.
Because I noticed it, Amanyora Akoreka.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a update like our fathers with hey. One curiosity about you abangekoda ukuthi sizobuya kanjani strategy nitheni like ebenchini changes the way you need the point.
Look, I'm a coaches. I think they want to believe with the first 11 they chose. I think we had a best squad on the day, few reserves, so no changes were made. But to my coach, which fathers ikhlula amateam abhanga ngento one. No number 12, sibe no number 13. Number 12 ilobe kahleli lapha support the team. And then number 13 ilobe kabheke kuwonke lama social platforms update. So we came back. I mean, I ran. We came back from 1-0 to make it a draw 1-1. And then with us, we crowd also.
So celebration itself, they wanna fathers in action.
I mean, if you go to our socials, from the stands, I actually ran from lab. To just celebrate my chances, and it looked as if very game to season winner, but not miss some chance. That's how we lost the game.
So moving forward, as a fathers, Nitrowi. Nitrowi.
No, sleep. Sleep 2-1.
2-1. Moving forward, how do you motivate our players? Because already Sidley from coming back in the weekend. What motivates kanjani ukuthi what manager kanjani this coming game we have to win because now siphansi as fathers. So we need our source, we need our school. How do you motivate our school ababuya winners?
Yazi yonke into bayasho ukuthi kumele uzazi ukuthi ubani before wazi ukuthi uyaphi. So if you look the previous year saphuma early kule tournament. So now and there were fewer teams. Now we were basically 64 teams and then saphuma ku top 8 which shows the growth. So that alone is motivation enough. But obviously motivation starts on Monday until game day. It comes from executive, moves all the way down to the technical team, and then we also have the captain that looks after my players. So we talk about these things, and then obviously the planning takes place, which is
Yeah.
and then it's try to fix a level.
Yeah. So like unobukela igame from a bench.
Yeah.
And khona ama substitute nawe ngisho ukuthi ufuna ukukhipha lo muntu lo.
Yeah.
How do you come across ama substitute whereby asuka from ama fans to a coach? How do you deal with that? Because sinofuna ukukhipha lo.
Yeah.
Ay udlala amanga sifuna ukukhipha. What decision anjalo no handle kanjani?
I think in nature again,
Yeah.
injalo, you can go anywhere injalo.
Yeah.
Which is why I separate my fans from the coaching staff.
Coaching.
So my fans will sit at Beleni, and then the coaching staff will sit at Beleni. Remember, these people are one a mandate.
Okay.
Okay? So each decision at Beleni has to come from our coaches because of